In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a text field in Dropbox Sign. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a text box on your document and decide who fills it out, so your recipients can provide the information you need without any confusion. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Dropbox Sign. Click the first result that takes you to the official Dropbox Sign site. This ensures you're in the right place to prepare and send your document securely. Once you're on the site, log in to your account. Use your usual credentials and make sure you're in the correct workspace if you're part of a team. After logging in, you'll land on the home page where you can bring in your document. To upload, you can simply drag your file onto the page or click Upload and choose the file from your computer. Use the version of the document that's ready for signatures and text input, so you won't need to re-upload later. Give it a moment to process. Larger files may take a bit longer. Next, you'll be prompted to add participants. Click the +Add Signer button until everyone who needs to sign or provide information is listed. Include yourself if you plan to fill in any fields before sending. You can typically adjust the order if your workflow requires a specific signing sequence. You'll now arrive at the preparation screen where you can place text fields. On the left sidebar, look for the Standard section. This is where commonly used fields like text boxes, dates, and checkboxes live. From the Standard section, click and drag the text box field onto your document and drop it exactly where you want the text to appear. Take a moment to position it cleanly. Align it with nearby text, and resize it so it's wide enough for the expected response. Zooming in can help you place it precisely along a line or within a form area. Click on the text box you just placed. On the right sidebar, under Assign To, choose who should fill it out. If you select Signer, the recipient will see and complete this field during the signing process. This is ideal for information like a job title, company name, or answers to form questions. If you select Me, Now, you'll fill it in immediately before sending. That's helpful for static details the recipient doesn't need to provide. When the fields are placed and assigned, click. Next, to review everything. Double-check the placement, the assigned recipients, and the document itself. When you're confident it looks good, go ahead and send. That's it. You've added a text field in Dropbox Sign.